meuridikin gue ako tim to nungorai lagi nam derion tawan away ya pondo kong kay naratay ni memetin nano hay nang kukurain bus mai kong gue ako tim to nungorai lagi am derio ang gue na ba ako memeta gue lagi the life ke ana life in the day ya kuraniran te tawan away inang kukurai na ni bus mai ko nakon ara memetin nano Hanja way ipon sway kos te memetin nano ay bukin ang sway kos nakanakuha mo memetin nano
Ikantay kinang aran Yesu Nagoya ameta nikabane Yei terawi ke komena yai Tai kina Yesu Ikantay kina aran Yesu Ni karo ko aurua kintero Sa karua yai te kanta ninga Tai kina Yesu
Aram te maka, aram te meuri, aram te Kururui nono, au kotantero, Ikan tekina aran Yesu, yon te meka tero awata, na kuya kero akina noya, tekina Yesu. Aram te maka, aram te meuri, aram te Kururui nono, au kotantero, Aram te maka, aram te meuri, aram te Kururui nono, au kotantero,
Tai kina yoni meunga Oi sutani kawai Takarua ya Yesu yoia ai yoni pede Yesu ina usu o na punte kina aran Yesu
Tekin mayani meunga, ay sutani kawai. Kakaruay Yesu yoy, ya ayaw ni mede. Yesu ina
Central never busy, always on the line. You may hear from heaven almost any time. It's a royal service, free from one and all. When you get in trouble, give this royal line a call. Telephone to glory, oh what joy divine. I can feel the current moving on the line. Built by God the Father for His love and home. We may talk to Jesus through this royal telephone. There will be no judges, telephone is free. It was built for service, just for you and me. There will be no waiting on this royal line. Telephone to glory, always answer just in time. Telephone to glory, oh what joy divine. I can feel the current moving on the line. Built by God the Father for His love and home. We may talk to Jesus through this royal telephone. Fail to get the answer, Satan's crossed your wire. By some strong delusion, or some base desire. Take away obstructions, God is on the throne. And you'll get the answer, give before your telephone. Telephone to glory, oh what joy divine. I can feel the current moving on the line. Built by God the Father for His love and home. We may talk to Jesus through this royal telephone.
Double combinations cannot get control of this light to glory anchored in the soul. Storm and trial cannot disconnect the line, held in constant keeping by the Father's hand divine.
Telephone to glory, oh what joy divine. I can feel the current moving on the line. Built by God the Father for His love and home. We may talk to Jesus through this royal telephone. We may talk to Jesus through this royal telephone.
Meuririn ko ako tayo mato nung oray darikin nam radio an darikin ken tetapare koraiv mei kaya sway dokote te mematen na non peira ai bukin nam dongorong ke te sangoran te tayai ngaira ke ngai me ni karayatis sina kanako rawa rai ke sina kanako ami mematen na no te tawano wei.
Boning ai tu e mengori ai meurari kinde pa dapetai e meroa gasing ai nau dapuai menari kira gini meurai de marua
taraan ero ko te memetin nanu ato wana ina nun peira tapu te akana te memetin nanu ero ko meiro te tanuea takaieta tapu te akana meuri ia yara bubusi kokonaan ikatanga Johnny Mac te pai arepe ngana yangaroi nakagerik meuri ia yara bubusi kokonaan ikatanga Johnny Mac te pai arepe ngana yangaroi skaka meuri korik ngwe nei jetanue takaieta te tapore komena yai ibukin na memetin nanuan nakanakuha maikai. Hai bukin ara memetin nanu te tawanu wei hai mangaro kona be te takawawang ayo ara ta ingai wapi me suwa te minis imin jawa te bime wo ai bukin nara kawawan memetin nanu hai eta bute akana ke tayoka ekonan tang te kuna are sakina no mo panna kamewai nungongora yai nikamaitoro at te tawano wayu ya timatori ngin ka kamauru ko are timatori ka kamauru ko ya kataunas mika te tapore ko mena yai ibukin kunam ma ko kotangiria ba na kon te tawano wai ibukin kamaitoro nam tawano wai o kantani ngapa kunam ma nakanakuan te tayai enangani ko kamaitoro nam tawano wai.
Kusuangai panangangai nikat
ang meurikin ko ako te to irarikin am radio de tawano way ke irarikin te live de dayay emetin na no ko kanakwa na pa pasinakatanga may kay
My sleep is gone, my heart is full of sorrow. I can't believe how much I've let you down. I dread the pain that waits for me tomorrow. When the sun reveals my broken dreams scattered on the ground. Please forgive me. I need your grace to make it through. All I have is you. I'm at your mercy. Lord, I'll serve you till my dying day. Help others find a way at your mercy. Please forgive me. I can't believe the God of earth and glory would take the time to care for one like me. But I read in the Bible that old story how it planned for my forgiveness while he was dying on the tree. Please forgive me. I need your grace to make it through. All I have is you. I'm at your mercy. Lord, I'll serve you until my dying day. Help others find a way at your mercy. Please forgive me. I need your grace to make it through. All I have is you. I'm at your mercy. Lord, I will serve you until my dying day. Help others find a way at your mercy. Please forgive me. All I have is you.
emang araw ko na para memetin na no tuwa na yu ina ko mayroon te take piriam kay te taku te akan te memetin na no ay meuri te memetin na no tayo ka te kunare we are the people mayroon pop kariso pasina wawaira may nanon ara studio op chano nabe may rarikimi may kay korapa tikerai inanon te tawano wayo ya te me toari kinge nikakamyauri kongwe nei te take piriam kay nam memetin na non te tawano way taurai panakana ko
it's not about the fight, and it's not about who's wrong or right. We are the people. God has called us in this hour to be a shining light throughout the darkest night. We are the people, and the way we make a change is only by the way we live our lives. We are the people of the We were never meant to carry all of the burden. We can never force a change in a world that goes its way. But if we open up to the power of His Spirit, then the mountains will move, and the glory of God will shine through. We are the people. God has called us in this hour to be the shining light throughout the darkest night. We are the people, and the way we make a change is only by the way we live our lives. We are His hands of mercy. We are His words of peace. We are His heart of compassion and forgiveness. Only in Christ we meet their need. We are the people. God has called us in this hour to be a shining light throughout the darkest night. We are the people, and the way we make a change is only by the way we live our lives. We are the people of the
Aratain kai te bi me anua te minis na kontia wa towana. E mangaro kona para me me tena no ai. Na wariki ana koi min te tawanu ai a tau te kana. Meuri tai aka e konantang te kunare tare pon na kon Yesu. Nakataurawa in tai nako. Pakanga kanongongora mga pakanga kanongongora mga swai mendongora swai mendongong ya kakamauri kong koe te kirarais mere namta pare ko ngongora megay kataurai ko pan nakanako ako nam are taripon na kon Yesu.
Full time.
aratain kai tepi met tenua te minis na kon chawa to ona o taranya nang pe siti tai ki ai pon siti tepi met tenua te minis ai apona pe chawa to ona ari aratai ari sna mosira wa yai ara me met nanu ai bukin nara me met nanu ari mina eta ku te akana meuri ai abu usiko pa kota yoka te kuna are aswau are aswau e me kai nanu e me ka bara upure na ko akiari meuri ya bubusi ko te kuna ya bubusi ko ba kona kota yoka te kuna are aswau e me kai nu kantero aswau e me kai nu ntero ka bara upure pan nakana koroa yai sipangara yo naratapo e pairiki korapa ya kaka meuri ko rikin ko sua kita karimi te tapare kome meta kome yai ibukin kuna mare ko tangiria ba kona kana ko yai kona kana korawa yai sipangam me yo nam tapo ne pairiki an ke ame karesa ne pairiki kan taurai pa nakana ko me kai tekan te arakati kiroi ari ara me metin nanu ari mangaro kona be nanu pairan te tawano wai tapu tekan kwa te yo kana be ni katanga kunan Fiji gospel te yo ka pai yakati kiroi ana be kai na ukarase ya ka me uri gori kinkwe e ke yeta sitake te tapare komena yai ibukin ayakia asun kunam yarine anabe the Fiji gospel ukandani nga ba kana etang kunam mai ena katikiroi ki kanabe tikiroi me rom ni makuri inanon nami karas de bakandai ai nakaparapure pa yay te takanganga irikin ako nara Mike me nakanako rikam katanotan ko te takaria maikai eta kuta akan te memeten nano ayu nauri tayo ka te memeten nano hare Jesus takes the wheel pa nakatikiro aira ngaira kain 6 plus may urano hay ka araya siwa ari tupua takapope away popentang korara pa yakakanauri ko rin ko takarian tabare kominata ko mayay kantani nga baka na etang kunam te tatawan away ena kakatikiro ay kami nanon namitay ay.
Driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow-white Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama and her daddy with the baby in the back seat. 50 miles to go and she was running low on faith and gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year. She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew it, she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw both their lives flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this all my own. I'm letting go, so give me one more chance, save me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting colder when she made it to the shoulder and the car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby in the backseat sleeping like a rock. And for the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. I know I've got to change. So from now on tonight, Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go, give me one more chance, save me from this road I'm on. Oh, Jesus, take the Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, take it from me.
Arata ingkai tenua timinis himin jawa tuan ita ko bahasa bondoro ko na ban dara to kinara memeten nanon te tawan away yapon ang auto akan karaparapan ako kami ay ka kamasan roanira Ilarikin nami radio ante the live the day ibukin nami memetin na no rekamasan ng anira tatawan away. Ay nang kakarapa iri yapon kawatawari kite tepanani kakaraparapan ako imi kin karaparapan ako imi kanda peren tikiroy inanon dikiran ami pong te tepungay. Kandasin dapat.